All right, what's up, all you good, wonderful citizens of Crypt Nation? Bryce here, coming at you with yet another quick crypto market update, not from my normal habitat, reporting at you guys today live from the beautiful Pacific Ocean. Decided to clear my head, get away for a bit, and what I was as I get away, right, to try and clear my head, you can't really escape good news and excitement in the crypto market. I feel like you try and go away for a little bit to clear your head, and then you're going to get rained on with newses and announcements and all sorts of stuff. So just today, what did we see? We saw a $500 billion asset manager announce new Bitcoin products, Neuberger Behrman, right? $500 billion in assets. And they announced that they're partnering with BlockFi. So what does that mean? That means that in the report, they were talking about how their clientele, their institutional clientele, has a really rapidly increasing demand for digital assets. Again, on the same day, you had a guy, Anthony Scaramucci, billion-dollar hedge fund manager. He came out and he was talking about how he's got personally $1 billion worth of Bitcoin, right? And he was kind of referring to all sorts of different people that are talking about it. He brings up Putin. He's like, well, Vladimir Putin just went on CNBC, or was being interviewed by CNBC the other day, and basically it was at an oil conference, and he was asked by CNBC like if he thought Bitcoin and cryptos had any value, and he says yes, absolutely, Bitcoin has value. Now, is it enough to be denominating global trade in? Maybe not yet, but he kind of took the opposite side of what, like, Jamie Dimon, who's the CEO of JP Morgan, right? Opposite side of that, Jamie Dimon is saying that crypto's worthless. And so it's a very interesting dynamic at play. And again, crypto's still small, right? Total just $2 trillion asset class. And so I still think there's a ton of room to move to the upside, right? We just had to launch the Bitcoin ETF, which was wildly successful. The most successful launch in the history of ETFs was the BITO launch. On the back of that, you had the BTF launch, which was an additional Bitcoin futures launch. And there's a tremendous amount of activity that's going on. Again, today, another big announcement that just hits that you can't escape the good news, it feels like, is Mastercard. Mastercard came out and they said that they're partnering with some crypto companies, and they're going to be integrating a full suite of crypto products so that all of their locations that accept Mastercard will be able to accept crypto. I mean, that's like a huge announcement that the market's just starting to learn about, just starting to digest, and I think it's going to have a tremendous bullish impulse for the market. Again, Bitcoin's trading right above right at all-time highs, right around $63,000. I think Ethereum, as an ecosystem, might have a little bit more upside in the long term, right? But it's a great time to be an investor in the crypto markets, and things aren't slowing down. So that's the crypto market update. And guys, if you aren't already a part of a crypto community with investors, and you're not already getting trade alerts and signals, I highly recommend you guys click that link below. For $1, guys, you can get a 2-week trial, right? 2-week subscription to our group. We're posting trade alerts, posting analysis, reports, all sorts of stuff, covering the crypto market front to back. With that being said, we'll see you soon.